Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Navajo Nation is vast. It stretches across parts of Arizona, Utah, and New Mexico, covering more land than several US states. Driving through it, distance feels different. Towns are far apart, roads run straight for long stretches, and the landscape dominates everything. This is not a single place. It is a living nation with its own government, language, traditions, and laws. The Navajo Nation operates separately from the surrounding states, managing education, policing, healthcare, and land use across its territory. The land itself shapes daily life. High desert, mesas, open plains, and sandstone formations define the environment. Conditions can be harsh, water is limited, weather shifts quickly. Communities have adapted to this landscape over generations, learning how to live within its constraints rather than trying to control it. Many Navajo families maintain strong ties to land through grazing, crafts, and local trade. Sheep herding, once central to Navajo life, still plays a role in some areas. Rugs, jewelry, and silversmithing are not souvenirs here. They're cultural practices passed down through families. Languages remain a powerful marker of identity. The Navajo language is still spoken widely, including by younger generations. It is complex, descriptive, and deeply tied to worldview. Place, direction, and relationship matter more than simple labels. History here is not abstract, it is present. The Navajo Nation carries the memory of forced relocation during the 19th century, where thousands were marched hundreds of kilometers from their homeland. That experience still shapes cultural identity and collective memory. Despite that history, the Navajo Nation has maintained continuity. Traditions, ceremonies, and community structures survive, adapted, and endured. Modern life exists along cultural practices rather than replacing them. Driving through the nation, you notice how quiet it feels. There are long stretches without development. Homes are often spaced far apart. This openness is not emptiness. It reflects a different relationship to land and space. Tourism plays a role, but it's operated differently here. Access to certain areas are restricted. Photography, filming, and visitation often requires permission. These rules are not about exclusion, they're about respect and control over cultural spaces. Economic challenges are real. Infrastructure gaps, limited services, and long travel distances affect daily life. At the same time, there is a strong emphasis on self-determination and local decision-making. Solutions are shaped internally rather than exposed from outside. What stands out most is scale, not just physical size but cultural depth. The Navajo Nation is not defined by a single landmark or experience. It is defined by continuity. People living on ancestral lands while navigating modern realities. For travelers passing through, the experience can be grounding. The pace slows, the road stretches ahead. The landscape reminds you that this place existed long before highways and borders. The Navajo Nation is not a backdrop to the southwest, it is a foundation to it. And moving through it offers a rare sense of presence, history, and space that is increasingly difficult to find elsewhere.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.